Hey guys, what's happening? In this video, we're going to talk about huge news for crypto and stocks. But first, I just want to tell everyone that has the class Stock Up You, we're going to be adding an entire chapter with Lux Algo where it's going to help you with your crypto trading. For those of you that have just purchased or already have it, go to the first link. Go to the first video, click the link in there, and you get 60 days free into my stock and crypto investment club where we are already printing money. And now to the scheduled video. Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Listen, do yourself a favor. If you're not with the family, come join the family by hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell and come and join this family. Look, two huge news stories. These are huge for me. All right. The first one is this. BlackRock advocates for 2% Bitcoin allocation. Let's look at this. BlackRock advocates for 2% Bitcoin allocation in multiple asset portfolios. That is huge. Remember, when I had the CEO of Mara, the world's largest Bitcoin mining company, when I interviewed him, Mr. Teal, on this show, he talked about BlackRock allocating 1%, okay, or advocating for 1%. And now we have 2%. And it makes sense for BlackRock. This is huge, huge news for crypto. The only thing that could be bigger than this, if you ask me, is that the United States of America start purchasing Bitcoin as a reserve. That would be the next thing that's bigger than this. And then, of course, we have the inauguration still coming. So this cycle, this industry, all of crypto is still very bullish. So for those of you that don't know, BlackRock owns over, let's go back. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager. I know it's here in the country. All right, let's go back. And they hold a lot. You see here, 11.5 trillion. BlackRock recommends as much as, this is Forbes. Look at that. All right. We're not going to look at they want me to buy. I ain't buying. All right. So let's just keep it going. Look, BlackRock manages pension funds and offers a variety of investment strategies. Okay. And so they run it. They own it, good people. Not only that, look at this. BlackRock does not directly own any banks, but is a large shareholders in what? Bank of America, JP Morgan, right? Who's JP Morgan? Mr. Jamie Dimon, I don't believe in Bitcoin. Okay. So whether he believes in it or not, they will be purchasing for their clients because their clients want it. And this is huge news. So I'm just telling you guys, I think by the time the inauguration gets here, we could be well over 110K per Bitcoin. And remember, I said it on the live last night. I think psychologically, 110 is going to be the next catalyst, going to be the next price where other people, retail and institutions now, start to pile in because they're going to see that as a psychological level that this thing is unstoppable and they don't care what the naysayers say. Okay. And I believe that will be before the inauguration is just a guesstimation. So that is huge for crypto. As we look here, that news has not even really came and hit the crypto market yet, if you ask me. So if you look, Bitcoin at the time of this is 1015, right? We got XRP down here. XRP will flip tether again. It will. It's only a matter of hours, if not days. As you can see, market cap, XRP is 138 and Tether is 139. It will be a flipping that will happen, but you're going to see Bitcoin really, really take off. I don't see anything else that's really mentionable, but I will tell you that some of these altcoins, and this is why I say it's alt season. Let's look at this. I talked about Tron the other day. It's up 10% in the last 24 hours. Avalanche, I talked about it. It's 14%. Chainlink is up 19%. I bought all of these, and Sui is up. So these are the ones that I'm in that I have bought, and I bought them on the dip, and so now I'm up hugely on the dip. All right, so there's plenty of money to be made. Now, something else, what I'm going to say right now is controversial. Okay, something else just happened, and I'm just going to show you the video and take out the highlights. The president-elect rang the opening bell. And as a matter of fact, in my personal Discord, stock crypto investment club, Money Moves, I made a play today. And while the market was selling off because a PPI came in hot, Producers Price Index came in hot, so the stock market was selling off in the pre-markets. As soon as opening bell came, I made a play and I posted it in my Money Moves. Now, it's not available to the public yet, just for the people that own the class. What I'm saying is I knew that this was a bullish move. What happened? He rung the bell. He had his cabinet there. And like him, love him, or hate him, I am an independent. But I give credit where credit is due. And when they mess up on both sides, I call them out. But I have to take my hat off to the president-elect. And he was showing what you and I know, that there is room for us to make money, for the stock market to do good, and the overall economy do good. And I'm just going to keep it real and say other administrations have been anti-business, just fooey on you if you have your money in the stock market. Well, guess what? Most of us do one way or another, even if it's 401k. So it's time for us to get rid of the politics and wake up and look at your money. All right. And he was very measured. He was very presidential and very measured. And I got to take my hat off to Kramer this morning on CNBC. He was in the booth talking, came out, broke, and just asked him the questions. Okay, let's just play a clip of this and you make a decision. Hate him or love him or like him. Just listen to what he said about the stock market and crypto.
What do you have to say to the American investor in this country?
Well, I think you're going to see some very good days ahead. A lot of incentives are going to be given. You saw yesterday a $1 billion investment that we give you very fast approvals. Nobody's come up with that one yet, although it seems pretty simple. I think you're going to have some great days ahead. We have to conclude a couple of bad wars that are going on. A lot of bad things are going on, but we'll get them done.
Do you think that we are in a situation where business will be far more embraced under you than currently?
Well, I don't want to really knock current, but I will tell you more than at any time, anywhere in the history of our country.
Now,
Who is this dude that says I didn't want to knock it? I like this new dude. I like this dude. All right. So let's keep it going. There's a lot of tidbits that we need to listen to that was said.
Well, I think I've always said, to me, stock market is all of it, all of it together. It's very important. It's an honor to be here at New York Stock Exchange. I sort of joked that I actually bought the building across the street because the stock exchange was here. It's a big deal.
40, it's a nice building.
40 Wall Street. So, look, we're going to do things, I think, that haven't been really done before. We're going to be cutting taxes still further. We got it down to 21%. We're going to bring it down even below that. You pay 21 if you don't build here, and meaning your product or whatever it is you're building. And if you do, we're going to try getting it down to 15%. But you have to build your product, make your product in the USA.
I want to find where he even spoke about Bitcoin.
We made Scott the Treasury Secretary, which everybody frankly wanted, and he's going to do a fantastic job.
Meantime, how about a crypto? Really, we do need, I think, you're embracing crypto, very different from the previous administration. Strategic Petroleum Reserve for crypto?
Yeah, I think so. We're going to do something great with crypto because we don't want China or anybody else, and not just China, but others are embracing it, and we want to be the head. We're going to be ahead of AI. We're going to be way ahead of AI, and we've got to produce tremendous amounts of electricity. You know that. It's unbelievable when you think that we need more than twice what we already have.
Like him or hate him, I've always thought about that. Why isn't our president meeting with our business owners? Why aren't we at the head of this thing? And you know, he wants to be on top of AI, and he wants to be on top of crypto. And I think that's a good thing, regardless if you voted for him or not. Okay, I'm really not going political, but I'm just saying that the president of the United States, or the president-elect of the United States, showing up at the New York Stock Exchange and ringing the bell on a red day is still a bullish signal to me. And I do believe that we will continue to be in this bull cycle. But for the overall stock market, and he was very cautious to say the stock market was going to continue to go up. He says, no, we don't want to jump in front of that. And I got to give it to him. He was very, very presidential. Okay, so let's cool it with the comments. Let's not, but let's just look at what this represents. It represents America heading in the right direction. Okay, good people. So I want you to leave me a comment. Do you think this is bullish for crypto, with BlackRock doing what we talked about here 9 months ago? We talked about this, them allocating or suggesting that you hold at least 1% Bitcoin. Remember, we played that, all right? And I talked to the CEO of Mara. We expected this, and that's why we are making money. And that's why now I have been heavily loading up on the altcoins. Okay, I'm in my full positions in the meme coins, altcoins, AVAX, Link, etc. Those are really printing really good. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. No, I'm not. I want you guys to know something. All right, here's what I want you guys to do that are considering taking the class. Right, a lot of you go to the landing page and you see a price and you go, well, that's cool, but I'm gonna wait. That's not the price you pay. Go to the checkout page, put in coupon code EARN, EARN, all right? Put in coupon code EARN, EARN, and this is before you check out, even after you see what the classes are. And then it's going to show you the price that you will pay, and we are paying your taxes on top of that. That's our Christmas gift to you. All right. And so you can see, even you can put the coupon code in and see if it's good for you even before you hit pay. All right. So we have had the biggest influx of members yet. But be sure and leave me a comment and let me know, what do you think about these two news stories? And do you think Bitcoin will be 110K before the inauguration? All right. Yes, there may be some profit taking, but we've been printing money. We've been printing money. Like I told you guys before, when I was buying on the flash crash in crypto, I knew that greener days were coming, and they're still yet to come, though another flash crash will probably happen, or should I say flash sale will probably happen, aka buying opportunity will probably happen before the inauguration. All right. Hey, good people, we'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.